descent stage of NASA's Mars 2020 mission with the Perseverance rover was a thrilling and awe-inspiring moment in the history of space exploration. Dubbed the 7 Minutes of Terror, this critical phase showcased humanity's engineering prowess and relentless spirit of discovery.
The challenge. The phrase
7 Minutes of Terror refers to the 7-minute descent of the spacecraft through the Martian atmosphere, a period fraught with challenges. Communication signals take 11 minutes to travel between Mars and Earth, making it possible for engineers to guide the spacecraft in real time. Perseverance had to perform a complex series of automated maneuvers to safely land itself on Mars, a planet with thin, unpredictable atmospheric conditions.
The sequence of events. 1.
Atmospheric entry. Travelling at 19,500 km/h, Perseverance hit the Martian atmosphere. The heat shield faced temperatures as high as 2,307 degrees Celsius, 4,298 degrees inside. 2. Parachute deployment. After slowing to about 160 km/h as 1,000 per hour, a 21.5 metre wide supersonic parachute was deployed, the largest ever used on Mars. It slowed the spacecraft further to a manageable speed. Number 3. Radar and terrain navigation. Perseverance employed cutting-edge terrain relative navigation (TRN) technology, scanning the Martian surface to find the safest landing spot in the challenging crater, a region filled with ancient riverbeds and rocky terrain. 4. Separation of heat shield and descent stage. The heat shield detached, exposing the rover to Martian air for the first time. Cameras and instruments immediately began scanning the surface. Number 5. Powered descent. At about 2 kilometers (1.2 miles) above the surface, the descent stage, a jetpack-like structure with retro rockets, took over, controlling the rover's descent with precision. 6. Sky crane maneuver. In a breathtaking finale, the descent stage used cables to lower the rover onto the surface while hovering mid-air. Once the rover was safely on the ground, the descent stage flew away to crash at a safe distance.
And the landing.
At exactly 3:55 p.m. 18th, 2021, Perseverance touched down in the Jezero crater, sending back its first image moments later. Cheers erupted in NASA's control room as the confirmation signal arrived, an achievement of engineering, programming, and perseverance.
Inspiration and legacy.
The success of Perseverance symbolizes the triumph of human ingenuity and courage. It carried advanced tools to search for signs of ancient life, collect rock samples for eventual return to Earth, and even tested. This mission reminds us that even in the face of uncertainty, calculated risks and meticulous planning can lead to monumental achievements. It also inspires a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to continue exploring the unknown. Perseverance, true to its name, embodies humanity's determination to explore and understand the universe. Here are 20 interesting facts about the Mars 2020 mission and Perseverance rover, showcasing its innovative features and monumental achievements. 1. The 7 Minutes of Terror. Perseverance's descent through the Martian atmosphere relied entirely on automated systems. No human intervention was possible due to the 11-minute communication delay. 2. Largest supersonic parachute. The mission deployed the largest parachute ever used on Mars, with a diameter of 21.5 meters, 70.5 feet, capable of withstanding supersonic speeds. 3. Landing in Jezero crater. The rover landed in Jezero crater, a site thought to have hosted a lake billions of years ago, making it an ideal location to search for signs of ancient life. 4. Terrain relative navigation, TRN. Perseverance was equipped with TRN, a technology that allowed it to Martian surface in real time and select the safest landing spot autonomously. 5. Ingenuity helicopter. Perseverance carried Ingenuity, a small helicopter, marking the first controlled flight on another planet. It achieved its maiden flight on April 19, 2021. 6. Advanced science goals. The mission aimed to collect rock and soil samples, analyze Martian climate and geology, and search for evidence of microbial life. 7. First ever sample return effort. Perseverance collected and stored Martian rock and soil samples in sealed tubes to be returned to Earth by future missions for detailed analysis. 8. MOXIE, Oxygen Production Experiment. The rover included MOXIE, Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, which successfully produced oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, a critical step for future human missions.
9.
Speedy Cruise. During its journey to Mars, the spacecraft travelled at an average speed of 39,600 km, 24,600 miles per hour. 10. Powered by plutonium. Perseverance runs on a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, which converts heat from decaying plutonium-238 into electricity, ensuring power even during Martian winters.
11. Perseverance, named by a student.
The rover's name was chosen through a NASA competition and suggested by Alexander. 12. Cutting-edge cameras. Equipped with 23 cameras, Perseverance provides detailed imaging for navigation, scientific analysis, and public outreach. 13. Sound from Mars. Perseverance carried microphones, enabling humanity to hear sounds from Mars for the first time, such as wind and the rover's operations. 14. First extraterrestrial drone. Ingenuity's successful flights proved that powered, controlled flight is possible in advanced drilling system. The rover's drilling system can extract samples from deep within Martian rocks, providing pristine material for analysis. 16. Laser zapping camera. The SuperCam instrument on Perseverance uses a laser to vaporize rock surfaces and analyze their composition remotely. 17. Multi-mission collaboration. Perseverance's sample return plan involves international cooperation, with NASA and ESA, European Space Agency, working together. Environmental dynamics analyzer to measure temperature, wind, and dust levels. 19. Hidden code in the parachute. The parachute's red and white pattern encoded a hidden message. Dare mighty things, the motto of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. 20. Long-lived legacy. Designed for a primary mission of at least one Martian year, 687 Earth days, Perseverance could continue operations for much longer, like its predecessor, Curiosity. These fascinating facts highlight Perseverance's role as a trailblazer in Mars exploration, paving the way for future scientific breakthroughs in human exploration.